How to send a celebration effect on iMessage using your iPhone. It's actually really simple and looks pretty cool. First, open your Messages app and start a new iMessage app, or open an existing chat. Then type the message you want to send. Now, here's the trick. Press and hold the Send arrow button. This will open the hidden iMessage effects menu. Tap on the screen option at the top. Now, swipe left until you see the celebration effect. It usually appears after a few swipes, so just keep sliding until you find it. Once you select it, tap the Send button again. And that's it. Your message will now be sent with a full celebration animation on the receiver's iPhone. It looks really fun and is perfect for birthdays, achievements, or special moments. So, yeah, that's how you can easily use the celebration effect in iMessage on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iMessage tips, tricks, and tutorials like this celebration effect guide.